Slow roller. And the Yankees make the play that the Rays tried to make in the previous inning because it didn't stick in the webbing.
I think Warren rerouted here, realizing that he better not go to the base, but he better make the play with Smith's speed. Watch, looks like he's going straight to the base, then all of a sudden he's going to reroute and go get the ball. Uh-oh. If it gets by me, it's a base hit. Nice job.
Grounded up the middle. Right there is Gregorius. And Warren wins the battle. And the Rays leave the bases loaded. We'll go to the 7th.
Oh, they haven't picked off. Bird throws to second, and Drury applies the tag for the second out of the inning.
You know, sometimes those calls come from the bench, and I mentioned the Blue Jays do not run very often, and Diaz wasn't out there pinch running very long. Bird with the accurate throw and the easy out. This will go as a caught stealing.
Now Warren heading the count 0-2, goes fastball up and another strikeout. Adam Warren is pumped up. So the Rays threaten in the bottom of the 7th, first and second, nobody out, but Adam Warren comes back and strikes out the side.
Strike 3 call. Gonzalez caught looking. And a lengthy inning comes to a close.